If your skin is screaming for help in the summer heat, these 2 cooling face masks are exactly what you need. Made with a simple kitchen ingredient, we're about to stop breakouts, calm your skin, and give it a deep boost of hydration and glow. If you're looking for a real summer skincare miracle, stay with me till the end, because your skin is going to fall in love with this. Before we start, hit the CC button and pick your subtitle language. Alright, let's get into making this amazing mask. Take 1 cucumber, wash it really well, and grate it. Cucumber is made up of about 96% water, which makes it a natural hydrator that's perfect for rescuing dry or dehydrated skin, without making it greasy. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for sensitive, irritated, or sunburned skin. It's full of vitamin C and antioxidants that help brighten the skin and fade dark spots. It also has a mild astringent effect, which helps minimize the appearance of pores and makes your skin look smoother. You probably already know it's a popular natural remedy for under-eye puffiness and dark circles. It's super cooling, soothing, and refreshing. Plus, it helps balance oil production, which is great for oily or combination skin. Now strain the grated cucumber with a thin cloth or cheesecloth to get the juice. Add the grated cucumber to a bowl and pour in a small glass of rosewater. Set it aside so it mixes well. Rosewater is amazing for calming redness, irritation, and sunburn, perfect for sensitive or damaged skin. Now add the juice of a quarter of a lemon to the cucumber juice. Don't overdo it, too much acid can be harsh for some skin types. Mix well. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and citric acid, which gently exfoliate and help brighten the skin and fade discoloration. It also acts as a natural astringent, tightening pores and controlling oil, great for oily skin. Now add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, add 1 at a time and mix thoroughly. Rice flour gently exfoliates without being too harsh, perfect for sensitive skin. With regular use, it helps fade dark spots, sun damage, and uneven tone, leaving your skin glowing. It absorbs excess oil and helps shrink the appearance of pores, awesome for oily skin types. Its anti-inflammatory properties can calm acne and reduce breakouts. Over time, it softens and smooths the texture of your skin, like baby skin. It's full of antioxidants that help firm the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Now add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and mix well. Powdered milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. The natural fats and proteins deeply moisturize and soften your skin. It also helps fade spots, acne marks, and sun damage, making your skin tone more even. Milk is packed with antioxidants like vitamin D and B12 that repair the skin and reduce fine lines. It's super soothing and helps calm sensitive or sun-damaged skin quickly. If you love DIY skincare recipes, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're always the first to see my new videos. Now add 1 teaspoon of rosewater and give it a good stir. Rosewater helps maintain your skin's natural oil balance, neither too dry nor too oily. It acts as an astringent, minimizing pores and giving your skin a smoother look. With its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers, it reduces breakouts and fades spots. It hydrates without feeling greasy or heavy, perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Seal the container and set it aside to let everything blend together nicely. Now let's go back to our cucumber and rosewater mix. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it and stir well. The vitamin C in lemon helps fade acne marks, sun damage, and dark spots. Its antibacterial properties fight acne-causing bacteria, great for breakout-prone skin. The natural acids gently exfoliate and keep your skin fresh and smooth. Strain the mixture again using a thin cloth. Now add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and heat it gently on the stove until it becomes a soft, creamy texture. Cornstarch absorbs excess oil and leaves a matte, shine-free finish, perfect for oily skin. It soothes redness, irritation, and itching, ideal for sensitive or reactive skin. Its soft, powdery texture leaves your skin baby soft and silky smooth. It also soaks up extra moisture and helps dry out inflamed pimples faster. Want to level up your skincare game? Then make sure to subscribe and ring that bell, amazing videos are coming up. Remove it from the heat and let it cool a little. Now add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is super similar to our skin's natural oils, so it gets absorbed easily and helps balance the skin, without clogging pores or causing breakouts. It's an amazing hydrator that locks in moisture without feeling greasy or heavy. Perfect for oily or acne-prone skin, and it has antibacterial properties too. It's full of vitamin E and antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage and slow down aging. Add 10 drops of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that defends your skin from free radicals and pollution, helping to slow down signs of aging. It supports healing for scars, acne marks, and damaged skin. It locks in moisture and keeps your skin from drying out or flaking. Its anti-inflammatory benefits calm redness, sensitivity, and irritation. It even protects your skin from sun damage and strengthens its natural barrier. You can store these masks in the fridge for up to 10 days. First, apply the watery mask on your face, neck, and hands. Let it dry completely, and after 20 minutes, rinse off with cold water. Then, go in with the creamy mask. Use these masks 3 times a week and see the results with your own eyes. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. Your comments truly mean a lot and help grow our skincare family.